Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to create Travis Hunter in College Football 25. Let's jump right into it. First, head to the main menu, select the team builder or create a team option. This is where all the magic happens. Now choose to create a new school. This is your blank canvas to design a team that represents Travis Hunter style and presence. Start with the customizing your team's brand. You can pick logos, team colors, apparel brands, fonts, and more. If you want the extra detail, you can even upload custom logos or choose from the pre-made designs available. Next, move on to the uniforms. Think modern, flashy, and athletic, just like Travis Hunter's game. Then set your stadium and overall program details. This is where you can shape the atmosphere and dominate. Once you're happy with everything, go ahead and save your team. Now head over to the Create and Share tab, then into Download Center. From here, download your team to your local storage. That's it. Your Travis Hunter inspired team is now ready to use in Play Now or Dynasty mode. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the subscribe button for more college football 25 tips and tricks.